Miss Ruby's here. The main objective of this video is for blind and low vision teachers with the reinforcement of parents, paraprofessionals, and ultimately our blind and low vision students to be able to utilize manipulative tools such as the abacus to solve fundamental math problems. This video presentation, in alignment with materials from American Printing House for the Blind, will help you understand the use of these manipulatives. The beginner's abacus with 2 vertical column rods. The expanded beginner's abacus with 3 vertical column rods. And transitioning to the Kramer abacus. Common Core Math State Standards, Counting and Cardinality, Know Number Names and Count Sequence, Operations and Algebraic Thinking, Represents and Solve Problems involving Addition and Subtraction, Work with Equal Groups of Objects to gain foundation for multiplication, Understand and Apply Properties of Operations and the relationship between addition and subtraction, Work with addition and subtraction equations, number and operation in base 10, extend the counting sequence, understand place value, use place value, understanding, and properties of operations to add and subtract. The lesson provided in this course present a starting point for abacus instruction and are presented in a progressive manners. Users are encouraged to adapt and or extend instruction as needed for any given student. Some students may need additional direction, such as concepts presented, and others will simply need more practice. Some students may need an alternative lessons and different orders, and others may require review and reinforcement before moving to the next lesson. Additional practice with skills taught on the abacus, for example, the one-on-one correspondence, indirect addition with regrouping, may be reinforced in real-life activities, whether it be at home, in school, in the classroom, such as keeping scores when playing games or making changes for a store purchase. It may be appropriate for teachers to use additional strategies with some students when performing computations with the abacus, such as the use of the braille writer to record numbers or using another abacus to perform tasks to remember numbers. Students not yet ready to advance to the Kramer abacus may want to try computation that involve amounts of money or numbers too large for the expanded beginner's abacus. In this case, teachers may consider connecting multiple abaci together. Some teachers I have seen use Velcro strips and attaching a hook or a strip to the side of one abacus and making a loop, soft loop strip to the side of another abacus to fasten or for more abaci together. Introduction to the Kramer abacus is recommended as soon as the visually impaired student has mastered the concept of adding and subtracting using the beginner's abacus. The Kramer abacus will enable the student to build on the concept and skills acquired during the use of beginner's abacus to work with values greater than 999 and to perform other mathematical operations, example, multiplication and division and fraction and other math skills. When first introducing the student to the Kramer abacus, the teacher may want to point out the physical differences between the Kramer abacus and the beginner's abacus in a side-by-side fashion. Let's dive in.